we can borrow a lot of tips on sight reading from professional accompanists. They have to develop this skill to perfection, so how do they do that? I think there are 3 top points. Point number 1, please practice sight reading daily. I mean daily. So we can discuss different strategies, different options. You look there, you do this, you do that, unless we put it into the use every single day. It will not work. Second tip, it's very useful to use a metronome while we do sight reading. Those who teach sight reading to your pupils, you know that sometimes something like this happens. So we never spot these little hesitations or uneven pulse, uneven rhythm when we play. We are too busy to see notes. So if we put that, so even if there is a hesitation, we can spot it and we can work on it. Using the metronome also helps to develop this third point, very important skill, to look ahead. Problem is, when we try to sight read, we look far too hard and in far too focused way on the notes. Actually, we just played already, so what's the point of keeping looking at them? When we feel the pressure of the beat, we can't help ourselves, but we have to catch with the coming notes. So we become quicker and we start looking ahead much quicker. And the other point, we will start making our decisions quicker on what we can play, what we can't play, and we will try to keep going because the beat is ticking. So, just a few points. Please put all of them into your practice.